How did a prime minister make 3 consecutive kings commit suicide and murdered a 4th one? That's the story of the tyrant of old Oyo Empire, Bashorun Gaa, a powerful military leader who was the head of the kingmakers. He was well loved by the people because of his many war victories, but with great power comes great tyranny. Gaa turned the army and the king's council against the king Labisi, killed several of the king's supporters, and locked the king out of the palace, giving him no choice but to commit suicide. King Harwan Bahoju was muted because he refused to prostrate before Gaa. King Hagbaluhuje avoided confrontations with Gaa, but Gaa declared war against the king's best friend for some flimsy offense against the empire. Heartbroken, the king poisoned himself. Determined to get rid of Gaa, King Marj Hogbi tried to win people over to his side, but Bashorun Gaa's grip over the territory was too strong. The king lost and was made to commit suicide. Gaa's downfall came when the next king, a seemingly unassuming king who paid homage to Gaa every morning for years, managed to rally enough support, organized a rebellion, and Gaa was captured and executed, marking the end of his 20 years reign of terror.